All right, so I'm gonna be asking Malia to like share on how we could do that step by step. Malia, take it away. So now take me there now. So she click the task. You had to just wait, and then you had to log into your RC account. Yes, that's true. And just allow it. And then there you go. There's already they're already like assigned. Just click that topic 2 mid topic checkpoint. Let me see what's in there. All right, just look what is in there. Can you try to write over it, Malia? Can you? Do you think you could write over it? And you could also use the text. You could also use the text, right? Like, can you use that like letter T thing? Let's see if you could write over it. And just randomly type something. Okay, very nice. Okay, so it's only page 1 of 1. So mid topic checkpoint just goes. Oh, so you could write. You could do anything you want to do with it. All right. So, and that's it. And I think once you're done, I could see that it's done. Right. All right then, Malia. Thank you very much for sharing. And that's it. It's.
Miss Gongora.
Go ahead.